No life size.
What?
Do you want to try to feed him?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm busy right now. Yeah.
One man's quest for you.
See, that's what we're going to watch. There you go, honey. We're going to watch Doctor Who tonight. Yes, we are.
Whoa.
Ooh, it's going to be a little scary for you, but ooh,
think
well,
we're gonna wait
you're going to
till
watch
he's a little
around?
He doesn't know
Oh,
what that
we
is.
don't.
Now,
You're so
I
bad.
mean, like, once you want to start watching that, I think we'll wait until he's like 8 or 9.
What do you understand?
I mean, we'll get so scared at stuff like that. Look at him staring at the TV.
Starting early, honey. He's like daddy, he's just looking. He's watching.
Yeah, I know. I'll try to get his attention.